CYBERPOWERPC makes some impressive pre-built gaming rigs that aim at saving the not-so-tech-savvy users the potential headaches that may arise in their quest to get onto serious PC gaming. CYBERPOWERPC gaming desktops have over the years featured in our PC reviews, and we rarely get disappointed with the performance of units we review. This company also happens to be a favorite of a dozen pro gamers like Team Solomon, so you are bound to see their rigs on major esports events around the world. CYBERPOWERPC rigs tend to pack the bleeding edge in gaming technology like video cards and processors, and the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer's Xtreme GXIVR8020A4 desktop gaming PC is no exception. Apart from having the aggressive looks and eye-catching RGB lighting that most gamers favor, this pre-built PC is powered by the highly capable Intel Core i5-7400 3.0GHz processor and an AMD Radeon RX 584GB video card. Buy it from Amazon. You can find the link on the description below this video. Get the special price today.